What are these? Yo. These are like cowboy pants, cowboy shorts. Are these hard? I feel like these are hard, but here we are. This is my favorite thrift store, half and half. They be having some, I don't know, bro. I've gotten some fire stuff. Now, the one in another city that I used to live in, it was way better because it was like even more low-key than this one, but that one got shut down. So we're just gonna do it with this one. But as you can see, I have the YZY pods on, and my kind of thing right now is I'm gonna try and get like maybe like summer fit, something like that. Maybe like shorts and just a shirt. So, cause it's finna get hot. So we're gonna see, or I'm gonna do just like baggy sweats. So I'm probably looking for sweats first. So I gotta go ahead and navigate a little bit. See what they got. I think it'd be crazy to wear like jeans with these. I'm not gonna lie. So let's see, really baggy sweats, maybe like baggy flares, some like flare pants. I don't want no jeans. Maybe cargos, maybe depending on how they're shaped, or like jogger things. I don't know. I don't really know how jeans would look with these. Just stay away from jeans. I don't even know if they have sweats. Those are shorts. Man, where are the sweatpants at? Maybe I do have here. These are also still jeans. Or we get like, I don't know, work pants. Music that they have playing is literally trash. Yeah, these are all like just jeans and... What are these? No. Wait, how much are they? They're like silk inlining. That's pretty dope. Like 25. I'm gonna come back for these. So the thing is, the waist, bro, is way too huge. I would definitely have to wear a belt, but I don't. We need to focus. I would definitely not wear those with the YZY pod, unless. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. That was all the pants. Really, that can't be all the pants. Men's. What does that say? Men's suit wear, bro. I gotta find more pants, bro. More sweats. More swimwear. No, I don't want no swimwear. Here we are, another section. But these are more pants, though. I need sweats. I don't... At minimum, maybe like cargos. These are like business casual pants. I don't know. I'm not feeling that. I'm not feeling none of these. Men's denim. These are not what I was looking for. If we can't find sweats, then... So I can't even find like cargos or anything. And I really don't feel like going to another thrift store. But I really do need shorts though. So we might, unless we, okay, worst case scenario, we just go back to those. And then we just gonna have to figure something out. So here are the shorts. Like, not gonna lie, from how it's looking, those cowboy shorts. I might just freak the cowboy shorts. Not gonna lie. And then people are gonna be like, bro, that's not a fit. What are these? I may have to freak the cowboy shorts. I'm not gonna lie. Did I look at these already? Are these pants? No. Alright, so now we're gonna have to find a shirt. Alright, these look like all polos, so we're just gonna have to go through them real quick. I found my other shirt over there, but we're gonna see if I can find something over here. At worst. You know what I mean? If I had like accessories maybe, then we can just go with like plain tee. Cause I mean, at the end of the day, right, it's YZY pods. It's $20 shoe, but you still want to freak them. I don't know. I just don't think that they'll look good, bro. I don't think they'll look good with shorts, but we'll see. I really wanted to find pants, and maybe we could have done both of them. You know what I mean? So it's probably gonna have to try and find something like, I don't know, brown. This kind of decent. 7, maybe. We're just gonna put it like this. Rusty surf. And it's, what size is it? XL. Not terrible. Keep that on a maybe. I'm gonna definitely try this on before I go to the crib, because if it doesn't look right, worst case, we'll just probably go to another store. Nah. But it's crazy, bro, because I'm just thinking about those shorts. It's a medium. They got the whole taped. A polo low-key would be nice. Definitely not that color though, but you know what I mean? Oh, bro, I'm just like imagining, I'm looking at the pods and I'm like, they're gonna look skinny, and then I'm gonna just have these big ass shorts on. It's another just brown shirt. Just dressing like a, I'm not even gonna say what I was thinking in my head, but might keep that as a maybe as well. Just trying to keep with the tone. All right, nothing over. Did I already do this? This is 2X, so this might be a little bit crazy because you don't want the fit too big. These are my shorts. Yes. All right, so let's see. And these are the pants. I don't know what American Fighter is, but that ain't for me. Let's see. Bro, they must have like, I don't know, what type of, what's up with all these American Fighter things? I'm not that proud. Oh, hold on. This looks small though. What does it say? Solar? I don't know what this says. Sullen? Snake on the card. What size is it though? It's a medium. I need large at minimum. Just looking at the tones. Bigger. This ironically is not that bad for the shirt. This kind of fits the whole. Bro, why is all this American stuff? Well, they usually don't have this, bro. This has to be some type of. They're trying to get rid of all of this. What is Celine? Am I missing something? What is this? Nah. Maybe I picked a bad day to come. I don't want none of this patriotic stuff, bro. I just want a Kanye fit. And I think that contradicts. So I'm not gonna lie, this probably isn't a good day. Casual wear? Nah, that's like nuts. Am I missing any? Nah. They definitely switched up because there was like coats and stuff. Summer now. So I'm just skimmed through this. I rock with the Dickies. It's a small though. So probably just keep on going in my actual size. But yeah, I'm gonna just skim this whole back row of this. Looks like sweaters and stuff, and it's just gonna get way too hot for that. So hold on, we might have another. What is this? I don't want just a regular button up. I want if this was a Dickies, that would have been cool. But yeah, I'm gonna just skim through this and see. Ooh, we could do something like this. Skilden though. And I got the stain. But nah, I think that would have been cool too. With like over a big crew neck with the shorts, that would have been fine. What's hard? Oh, that's a Naruto shirt. This low key type decent, maybe. I don't know. It's like I gotta find the shorts again. I should have. Why didn't I? Oh, here they are. Nah, that don't match. Nah, I don't know. You can. Earth tones maybe, we're gonna see, but the rest of that's not really anything, so we're just gonna try and mix and match, and then we'll probably, if it looks good, I'm gonna just take it home, and then I'm gonna show you all the final product. But if not, I'll probably just go to another store, because right now I'm not feeling what I got. It just feels a little out of my comfort zone. It's just, I don't know if it. All right, so I ended up finding which ones I wanted. I'm gonna go ahead and not do this one. It was pretty small. This one as well, it just didn't look right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put all these back. Like this color just didn't match with what was going on. Now this one right here is what I'm gonna go with, and this one right here, and actually the shorts actually look good, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy them. I'm gonna show you all the price for everything, and then I'm gonna go back home and then try it on. So make sure you stay for the whole video so you guys can see what it really looks like. What brand is that?
This that what is this? I thought this was Southern. This Schauberger. It was some pants just like this with the MMA. These cost $100. It's another pair over there, but they Southern and it affliction stuff.
Really? They still over there?
I don't know. That's why I thought these was it. Really nice. It's a good brand right here. Yeah, I was looking up the brand when I buy from here. See how much I can say. $29.23.
Cool. Those are nice. And the quality too.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
All right, so here is a breakdown of what I bought. I paid $7.50 for something. I'm trying to figure out what it is, but it's a bunch of discounts. So overall, I saved $141. So that's great. In total, I paid $29, and I got the jacket, the shorts, and the shirt. But she said that the shorts were some very expensive brand, but I'm not familiar with this. I have no idea, but the quality on these are insane, and the detailing is. I'm trying to figure out which one is it individually for each one. But I think the shorts were $12.50, and then both the jacket. Oh yeah, shorts were $12.50. The jacket was $7.50 because it has this purple tag right here, and then the shirt was $7. So the shirt was the most expensive because with this place, each tag basically means you get certain discounts for the tag. So originally this was $60, and then it says that I pay $15, and then I guess because I'm a member, even though I don't pay for any type of membership, I get an extra discount. So when it dropped out to $12.50. Now this one, see, retail was $100, and then I paid $25, and then I got it all the way to $12.50. And then the shirt, this one was, where is it? Well, this is the original tag. So the original was $28, and then I paid $7, but then this one didn't really have no discount. So it is what it is. But I mean, $29 for a whole fit with a jacket and some real detailed shorts, that's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead, drive back to the crib, and then we're gonna try it on. And honestly, you can rock the shirt with the shorts, or you can rock. All right, so I'm back at the house, and we're just gonna go ahead and quickly break down everything that I bought and just like my thinking process when I decided to pick out what I did and what I didn't. So said the three or so shirts that I didn't pick, the really dark brown shirt, the color just didn't really match. It was the right oversize though, but it just didn't really work out. And then the beer shirt, it was too small. So this one right here, honestly, is pretty plain, but I like the cream color. It's really basic, and it's the right type of fit. It's an XL. Now I normally do wear a X. Well, I don't know, because I've been working out, so I'm trying to transition from a large to an XL. But as you can see right here, how wide it is, I like that fit on me. And then here's the back here too. Now my thought process after I put it on was like, is actually very simple. And the whole thing is like with the YZY pods, right? Is like you kind of don't want to do too much, especially with the shorts. If you're going with the shorts route, because it's really no point, right? You have a $20 product on your foot, so your fit really shouldn't do too much. You know what I'm saying? So this one was $7. Next right here, we have the shorts. Now, at first, these are some Texas cowboy shorts, right? And I'm gonna keep it a buck with you guys. These are the most heaviest shorts that I've ever worn, and I even have a pair of Family and Friends Don C shorts, and they're like all denim, and these are significantly more heavy. And the one thing too is that they're extremely wide. I think they're a size 48, so I'm hoping that my belt even fits it to the point where it fits. But as you can see, it's definitely very detailed. Even with the quality as well, is very good. And then the designs are also good as well. So it just stood out to me. Now, this wasn't my initial go-to. Again, I wanted to have some type of sweats and have more of a baggy fit. But as y'all saw in the video, we couldn't find that. And this was really the only thing that stood out. And I think it all just matches well. But I know these are pretty dope. And I was thinking about getting like tailored or some point, but again, it's literally too detailed, and it's fire though. It's super fire. I'll probably, I don't know, if I was a cowboy, if I was on the country vibes, I could definitely freak this for real. Even throw on a cowboy hat too, but that's just not my vibe. And this was also $12. Now originally it retailed for $100, and the lady, she even said that this is like on the rare side as well. But obviously, right, because all of the details and stuff. So these are pretty dope as well. And then this one right here, again, I just wanted to show, because before I tried everything on, because I will say just the shirt and the shorts, they do look fire. But before I tried everything on, I was like, I don't know, I just feel like too plain. You know what I mean? So I was like, let me just try and see if I can layer this on. This is literally, I don't even know. This is just somebody's work uniform. It's like a pool company, but it looks good. The quality is actually pretty decent. And this could definitely have some what's it called? Some multiple uses, right? And I'm low key. Now I was trying to see if it was gonna use, and this is also like oversized fit as well. This is all XL, so I actually got pretty lucky getting my size. So the next part is just gonna be throwing it on so you guys can see it. I'm gonna go ahead and rock the shorts and the shirt by itself, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add on the jacket later on, and then you guys can let me know which one you guys prefer. So. All right, so here is just the shirt and the shorts with the YZY pods. Give you guys pause of 360. So I like this because this cream right here just accents really well with this. This is also cream, but like embroidery makes it a little bit shiny. So even with my chain right here with a little bit of gold, that's also good. And then with the hints of like brown from the back of the shirt, and even on the writing, same with the like, weight of the shorts. It gives the whole fit like a Western vibe. If you look at like some type of like loon, this kind of looks like that type of fit. And then even looking at cowboys or like boots that they be wearing, the YZY pods kind of look like the steel toes in a little bit. So I think it low-key just matches all the way through, just even with the theme and everything. So I like this. Let me know what y'all think about the whole fit. I think it's pretty dope. Now, I will say, even looking at the shorts, if you're gonna rock it like this, you're definitely gonna have to have a baggy shirt because my belt, it barely fits, and I had to adjust this a lot. But I actually got it good this first go round. But as you can see, you know what I mean. This is not actually how it's supposed to be. And then with it being so thick with the pockets, if you were to have a short shirt, it wouldn't really look right. So let me know what y'all think about this fit. Is it cool with the Yeezy Pods? I think it looks better. I even made an original video with my initial reaction to Yeezy Pods, and I was wearing shorts just for the unboxing, and I didn't like it. But this right here, I think this is just like very super calm fit, but everything matches, you know what I mean? So it's like you're not doing too much and you're not doing too less, right? I think it's just perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the jacket for you guys. So here's the jacket. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I definitely prefer the shirt, in my personal opinion, just the shirt and the jacket, shirt and the shorts. But if it ever gets cold, this would definitely be just a good added feature. Even with the inside, it matches the cream of the shirt, and it just adds another layer. So this green earth tone just matches with all the other earths, and then even with the embroidering on the letter, everything is embroidered. So everything coincidentally matches, and that's pretty fire. So even though it's a white embroidery, the embroidery kind of makes it shine a little bit. Same thing with the short. So it just matches all of the colors. But I like this as well. And again, it's definitely another oversized fit. So you guys can see it with the Yeezy Pods. And again, it's like I'm not doing too much. So I can just be like real casual with it. You know what I mean? It's fire. It's like a low-key fire vibe. You know what I mean? On some low-key stuff. And I think that's kind of the whole concept. Like, that's what you want to do with the Yeezy Pods, right? Your Yeezy Pods are already going to be the statement talker. When everybody sees you, especially right now in this first go round where everybody doesn't really have their Yeezy Pods and it's not really a societal norm, the first thing people are going to look at is your Yeezy Pods. But then as long as it goes with everything, you know what I mean? If I were to have some outlandish just top feet with the Yeezy Pods, you're going to roll. You're trying too hard. You're doing too much. It doesn't look right. But this right here, if you break it down, regular shirt, some shorts, they don't really, and then a work jacket. If you really put that stuff on, there's really details to all of this. So let me know what y'all think about the jacket. And honestly, the more that I'm looking at it, the more that I like it. Like I said, I'm in Texas, bro. So we experienced 4 seasons in one day. So I might just have to throw it on. But it's definitely a cool just throw it on if it gets cold or anything. This will definitely be an added accessory. So let me know if you like these style of videos. I really wanted to do a version with some sweats, but I'm cheap. So as y'all saw the receipt, I only paid. So this whole fit right here. So the shirt, $7. The jacket, $7.50. No, $7.50. And then these were $12.50. So it came out to $29 and some change. And then the Yeezy Pod were $20. This is a less than a $50 fit from head to toe. So that's pretty dope. And I don't think you could really beat that, to be honest, especially if you're trying to ball on a budget and still look fine. But if you like these type of style of videos, I definitely want to do more. I definitely wanted to find some type of baggy like sweats because I think that's more ideal for the pods, even though I'm looking fresher the more I look in this camera. You dig what I'm saying? But if you guys do like these type of videos, let me know in the comment section below. Comment, subscribe, all that. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Don't be stealing the swag now.